So the next topic is fundamental units and derived units. So the units of fundamental quantities are called as fundamental units. Okay, it is otherwise called as base units as well. So we already discussed all the fundamental quantities like length, mass, time, temperature, current, amount of substance, luminous intensity. For all that we are having units. So let's discuss that also. For length it is meter. Okay, so the SI unit of length is meter. And the second one, SI unit of mass is kilogram. And the third one, SI unit of time is second. And current, SI unit will be ampere. Temperature, the SI unit is Kelvin. Amount of substance, the SI unit is mole. And luminous intensity, the SI unit is candela. Okay, so these are the 7 fundamental units. So coming to the derived units, as we already discussed, there are many derived quantities. Okay, we are having lot of formulas for derived quantities. So let us see few examples of it. So for area, it is length into breadth, correct? So the unit of area will be, the unit of length is meter and the unit of breadth is meter. So meter into meter will be meter square. So the unit of area will be meter square. When it comes into volume, volume is equal to, the formula is length into breadth into height. So meter into meter into meter will be meter cube. Okay, so unit of volume is meter cube. Okay, so the next one is temperature, mass. Okay, so density. So the formula of density is mass by volume. So the mass is kg and volume is meter cube. So kg per meter cube will be the unit of density. And let us take an example of this one, speed. So speed is equal to distance upon time. So meter per second. Velocity is equal to displacement by time. So meter per second again. So speed and velocity both have the same derived unit. And the next one is energy. So energy is equal to force into displacement. So Newton meter. Okay, Newton meter. And force is equal to, the unit of force will be Newton as well. And power is equal to work done by time, which means like joule by work done is joule by second. Okay, so joule by S. So these are the various units. Okay, there are a lot more to be discussed, so this is enough up to it. Okay, so the next topic will be system of units. So when coming to the system of units, there are several system of units that is to be discussed in this chapter. So speaking about this one, which one is CGS unit. So CGS stands for centimeter gram second. It is known as Gaussian system. Okay, Gaussian system, and it is a fundamental unit only. So C stands for centimeter, which comes under the category of length, and G gram, which means mass, and S time, so it will come under time. So next system is followed is FPS. It is a British system which is used, that is foot, pound and second. Okay, so first one comes for length and second P comes for mass and S comes for time as well. And the third system of unit is MK system, that is meter, kilogram and second. Okay, so it is a fundamental, same thing is followed over here. It is otherwise called as metric system. And the last and final one is SI system. So SI system, we already discussed lot more things in SI system. So it is a international system of units. So SI is the abbreviation of System International D Units. Okay, so which is a French equivalent for International System of Units. So International System of Units, it is a modernized and extended form of metric system. This was adopted by 11th General Conference of Weights and Measures in 1960. So in olden days, people are using these system like centimeter, gram, second, FPS system. That is, it is a British system which was used in British people. So foot, pound, second, and meter, kilogram, second. So nowadays we are following the SI system, which is standardized system. So we call it as International System of Units, and it was adopted in 1960. Okay, by General Conference of Weights and Measures. Okay, so the basic SI quantities are, as we discussed about the things, that is a fundamental quantities. So the same thing will be discussed. Okay, so and also We are having two more supplementary quantities. Supplementary quantities are nothing but plane angle and solid angle, and the unit will be radian for plane angle, and the unit will be steradian for solid angle. So plane angle is nothing but the angle measured for 2D objects, and solid angle is the angle measured for 3D objects. Okay, so these are the things that are to be discussed in this fundamental units and derived units and these SI units. Okay.